Hi, this is Jess Hoover, and this is my Module 5 practice review. So I wanted to do one on electrical circuits and having students model a working circuit by asking the question, how can I design a Christmas card that lights up? Once I get to electricity, it's usually around Christmas time, and so I thought this would be a good, relevant activity for my students to try and apply their learning to. So to begin this activity, I went through the imagine phase. I kind of designed what I wanted. I was just going to do a Christmas tree with a light up bulb at the top. Obviously, you could get more creative and add more lights as desired. So I started planning it out, and on the inside of the card, I drew out what I imagined for my circuit layout. The circle being where the battery would go, the lines being where the copper tape would go. Here you can see I've put my tape down, and this here folded corner is going to work as a switch, and so this is another opportunity for the students to think about that and think about how they're going to structure the design of their card so that the entire circuit will work. So then I went into the create phase, and I had no light. And I checked here to make sure that the light and battery were working, and they were. But as you can see, my Christmas tree was not so bright. So I checked my switch, and I was looking at my current, and I realized I made a gigantic mistake. So in the improve phase, I recognized my error that I did not break my tape when I connected it to my light bulb wires. And so I had to peel away a little bit of that tape to open up the circuit a little bit so that when it touched the prongs of the light bulb, that is what completed the circuit. And as you can see, now my tree is shining bright, and you can actually see it through on the back side of the card as well. Here you can see the switch that works when you fold the corner back and touch the tape to the battery, then it lights up the light. For my analysis, this is tiny, so it is on the attached document as well, but I said that it presents a real world problem somewhat because it's not really a problem, but I wanted them to be able to design something creative using their knowledge of circuits and such. So that's why I gave it somewhat instead of a yes. Number 9, does the lesson successfully engage students in purposeful teamwork? I envision this as being an independent activity, so no, it does not. But otherwise, it really scored well. I gave it a total score of 20, and I think the students would have a lot of fun and probably would be way more creative than I am in how to do this. I would envision having to limit the number of light bulbs they could use, just because materials-wise, that would get kind of expensive. So you can see the attached lesson plan and the analysis in larger form in the attached document. Thanks for watching.